Today I found an amazing product on Etsy, and I'm going to teach you how to sell it with extreme professionalism. And if you watch this video until the end, I'm confident you will start your own business while sitting at home from anywhere in the world. And it won't cost you a single dollar. And you can make hundreds of dollars monthly from it if you apply this the right way. You'll find the links to all the websites I used below this video. Click them to get huge discounts. Now, if we go directly to Etsy and search for personalized iPhone 17 Pro Max case, you'll notice that all these iPhone cases are very simple in design, yet they generate thousands of sales and hundreds of amazing reviews. That's a strong signal that this product is trending and the competition is still low. Let's take a closer look at this product. You'll see that 2 customers bought this item in the last 24 hours, which is a great sign. And the seller is pricing this case at $32.70, which is honestly overpriced. Because I'm going to show you how to make close to $30 profit per sale if you sell at the same price. And if you look closely, you'll see this seller is labeled as a best seller, meaning they are selling very well despite the simple design. Now, if we zoom into the images, you'll notice that they simply write the customer's name and add a small heart next to it. It's very simple, but customers love simplicity. That's why I strongly recommend you start selling this immediately. And here, you'll see they added an option for customers to choose their iPhone model and another option to select the color. Then the customer types their name in this box. You must include these same options when you sell this product as well. There's also another product using the same idea, but it sells for around $22.50, and it writes the name in a bold style. Etsy has even selected this product as high quality, and it has generated great sales over the past 6 months. Again, the design is super simple. Now you might be asking, do I need to buy or manufacture iPhone cases, handle inventory, and ship them myself? The answer is no. You won't spend a single dollar. All you need to do is create a simple design and upload it to the PrintKK platform. They will print your design on the iPhone case and ship it directly to your customer, all automatically. So let's move directly to the amazing PrintKK platform that we'll use in this video to sell this product. This platform stands out because of its low prices and high quality, which means your profit margin will be big on every single sale. They also have warehouses in the United States, so shipping can be as fast as 48 hours. There are many powerful features on this platform, including AI tools that allow you to design your product instantly, and we're going to explore all of that in this video. Don't get bored or skip this video, because it has the potential to change your life for the better if you apply it the right way. Now we're going to move directly to PrintKK. And here you'll find many other products. This platform basically includes almost every type of print-on-demand product, starting from t-shirts, home decor, and much more. Literally anything you can imagine, so don't limit yourself to selling just one product. Keep searching and you'll find products with low competition and high demand, and you can sell them on your store. But for this video, we're going to focus on selling iPhone cases. So I'll go directly to the search bar and type iPhone 17 Pro Max. You'll see many different cases, all at very cheap prices, almost all under $2, and the quality is great. For example, I'm going to choose this first glass case. Here you'll find detailed images of the case, along with all the product details, and the price is around $2. Imagine selling this for $30. How much profit would you make per piece? $28. That's an insane profit margin. Now, to start selling this product, all we need to do is scroll down a little and click on Start Design. After that, this is where our design will appear. If we go to the Upload section, you need to upload your design here. What's great about this platform is that it has built-in design tools like adding text, and they also have many elements you can use in your designs. But for now, I'm going to create the design using Canva. These are the dimensions I'll use. So I'll go directly to Canva and create a new design with dimensions 885 by 1771 pixels. First, I want the case to be black. I personally think this color looks very premium on iPhones. Of course, you can choose any color your customer prefers, but for this example, let's go with black. Now, to add the customer's name, all I need to do is press the letter T on the keyboard to add text. Then I'll type a name, let's say Lisa. After that, I'll change the font to match the design. This font is called Moontime, and I really like it for this type of design. Now, for future orders, all you have to do is change the name. For example, if a customer named Michael orders, you simply replace the name with Michael. Next, we'll go to the Elements section and search for a heart to place next to the customer's name. You'll find many shapes. I'll choose this one as an example, then change its color from red to white. Resize it slightly and place it next to the name. After that, I'll rotate the name with the heart 90 degrees, so the name becomes vertical, just like we saw earlier. Then place it on the right side like this. And just like that, we've finished the design very easily. Now all we need to do is download this design as a PNG image. Next, let's create another type of design. All I need to do is add a new page. Then change the background color to pink and add text again by pressing T on the keyboard. We'll type another name, let's say Olivia. Then go to the font section and choose any font you like. I'll pick this one. This design is also something we saw on Etsy. And again, very simple. You just rotate the name vertically and place it on the right side. You can even change the text color to red so it matches the pink background. This exact type of design also gets a lot of sales. Look how easy it is to create. Now, we'll download this design as a PNG as well. And I don't want you to limit yourself to just these designs. For example, let's say I want to target doctors and sell them iPhone cases. I'll add a new page, then go to Elements and search for Doctor Background. You'll find many patterns. Fill the page with this pattern, and we can change the background color. I think blue will match perfectly with this design. And just like that, we download this image as a PNG. Now we have 3 different designs created in just a few seconds. And also don't forget, I told you that PrintKK has AI tools to create designs even better than this. But for now, let's test how the designs we created on Canva will actually look. All we need to do is go back to PrintKK, then head to the Upload section and upload the first design. Look at this, it looks amazing. Honestly, it looks even better than what we saw earlier. It's simple, but at the same time, very eye-catching. And look at how it will appear in real life. It looks incredible. Now let's try the second design with the pink color. All we have to do is click on the image, and it gets applied directly onto the iPhone case just like that. Now let's test the doctor pattern design. We go back to the Upload section and select the design. And as you can see, it looks really great. I actually like it more than the name designs, and I'm definitely going to sell this on Etsy because I'm sure it will generate a lot of sales. And if we click on the Download Mockups button, you'll see that the platform automatically applies your design to multiple amazing mockups. You can use these directly on social media, and as you can see, the image quality is very high. Now, just like I promised earlier, we can create any design we want using AI inside this platform. So if we go to the dashboard, then head to the Creative section and choose AI Image, you'll find that they have a powerful AI model that can generate images professionally. All we need to do is type a description of the image in this box. Then choose how many images we want to generate. It can generate up to 8 images at once, which is amazing. I'll choose 4. Then we select the image dimensions. We'll go with a 2:3 ratio. Now we click Generate. It will take a few seconds, and boom, it creates these 4 incredible images. I'm honestly impressed, and I'm sure these designs will look beautiful on phone cases. They'll add brightness and a premium feel to the case. Let's download one of these designs, then go back to the phone case and see how it looks. Take a look at this. I think this is the best design we've created so far, and I'm definitely going to sell this one too, especially since it has a summer vibe. So I highly recommend you use the AI image tool available on this platform, because it will help you a lot. And now we only have one final step left to start selling our phone case on Etsy. After uploading the images and choosing the designs we want, all we need to do is click the Publish to Store button. Here, a window will appear asking you to add your online store, and if you click on it, you'll see that you can connect Etsy, Shopify, and many other e-commerce platforms. All you need to do is press Connect, and with just one click, your store will be linked easily. Now if we go to the My Designs section, you'll see all the products we created are saved right here. You can even buy the product and test it yourself at this low price, or you can publish it directly to your online store by clicking the Publish button for Etsy or any other platform. And if we click on those 3 dots, you'll find more powerful options. You can delete the product, edit it, or download mock-up images for it. There are many amazing settings here that make everything super easy for you. And if we go to the Products section, you'll find a huge number of items available. And like I said before, don't limit yourself to just one product. This platform literally has everything you can imagine. I want you to search for profitable products and design them using this platform, because the prices here are very competitive compared to other platforms. You'll find the link to the website below. Click it to get big discounts. And I'll see you in another video. I hope you found this useful. Goodbye!